Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. So finally here is the camera that will rule the new OnePlus 12 smartphone. But there are some doubts. The manufacturer's commitment will be important and will include Hasselblad. The main camera sensors of the OnePlus 12 are already known. And this is something that has made something clear. The company's commitment will be very important. Despite being sister companies, OnePlus and Oppo have decided to go their separate ways when it comes to choosing the main camera sensors for their next flagships. In the second case, we are talking about the Oppo Find X7 Pro. So what are the cameras of the OnePlus 12 and Oppo Find X7 Pro smartphones? These will be different main camera sensors. The OnePlus 12 will use Sony LYT-808 camera sensor, which has proven capable of capturing high quality images. On the other hand, the Oppo Find X7 Pro will take center stage by incorporating the Sony LYT-900 camera sensor from the Japanese company new LYTIA line. Considered the flagship of this lineup, OnePlus' choice not used to Sony LYT-900 sensor has raised some questions. Some wonder why the company did not opt for the higher end sensor, considering the latter is technically superior. According to recent reports, OnePlus would have made this decision to offer a product with a more polished camera experience from day one. Thus, the firm considered that it would not have enough time to fully optimize the Sony LYT-900 sensor and provide users with a camera experience that lives up to expectations. Therefore, he decided on a sensor that had already proven itself. As for release dates, the OnePlus 12 is scheduled to hit the market before the Oppo Find X7 Pro smartphone. If both companies follow their usual release cycles, the OnePlus 12 is expected to debut in December or early January, while the Oppo Find X7 Pro will likely arrive towards the end of the first quarter of 2024. Both smartphones will be powered by the powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor and offer high-end specifications across the board. They are expected to feature extremely sharp LTPO OLED displays with an impressive 120Hz refresh rate. These displays will be noticeably bright. Thanks to the addition of BOAQ1 panels, users will also be able to enjoy very fast charging, both wired and wireless, while benefiting from Hasselblad camera expertise. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.